Someone actually asked me in the comments how to properly screen record on uTest. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to do it so your submissions don't get rejected. This comment right here is actually why I'm making this video. On uTest, if your screen recording is not clear or done properly, your test case can be rejected. So in this video, I will show you the correct way to record and submit your screen recordings. Before you start recording for uTest, there is one very important settings you should turn on. You need to make your touches visible so reviewers can clearly see where you are tapping while reproducing a bug. On iPhone, you can do this by enabling AssistiveTouch. Go to Settings, go to Accessibility, then go to Touch. Then you see AssistiveTouch. Then turn it on. This will display a floating button on your screen, which helps indicate your interaction during the recording. Even though it's not exactly the same as showing taps directly, it still helps to make your actions clearer when submitting reports on uTest. On Android, there is a direct show taps options, but on iPhone, the AssistiveTouch is the only closest alternative. If you are using an iPhone, go to Settings, then Control Center, then add screen recording. Once you have done that, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control panel. Tap on the recording button to start recording and ensure the microphone is turned off. Now, when you are recording for uTest, make sure you move slowly so everything is visible. Clearly show the bug or issues. Don't rush your actions, and ensure that the recording is clean and easy to understand. This is important because reviewers have to understand what the problem is before they can actually approve your test cases. When you are done, tap the red recording bar at the top of your screen to stop recording. Your video will automatically be saved to your gallery. This is a typical example of what a screen recording should look like for uTest platform. This recording is actually from one of the projects I submitted on uTest. I just wanted to use this as an example to show you how your screen recording should look like by showing taps on each icon you click on. By so doing, it will enable the reviewer to understand your bug report, and also getting an approval is imminent. Before attaching the screen recording on uTest, you must ensure that the video is in MP4 format, and also the size does not go beyond 5 megabytes. Now you can go back to uTest and attach your screen recording when submitting your report. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos on how to make money online with platforms like uTest. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments.